Introducing the 2024 lineup of Harley-Davidson powered by Rockford Fosgate audio systems. Purpose-built for the 2024 Street Glide and Road Glide models. These incredible audio systems were designed by riders for riders. Rockford and Harley-Davidson spared no effort to ensure that these audio systems were rider-centric, setting a new standard for motorcycle audio. So whether you're tearing through the city or embarking on an iron butt ride across the country, these audio solutions will deliver the audio experience you have always wanted on your bike. Let's explore the 2024 products and audio kits we have to offer. First up are the individual components, designed specifically for the 2024 Street Glide and Road Glide platforms. These include 5x7 and 6x9 saddlebag speakers, 6.5-inch fairing speakers, and an all-new 4-channel amplifier. The speakers are available in Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3 options. And while they all share the same technology, the significant differences lie in the output and the speaker and grille design. Stage 1 speakers handle 75 watts of power and feature a two-way design with all black grills. Stage 2 is upgraded to a three-way speaker design handling 150 watts of power with a black grille and polished logo. And if you desire even more output, we also offer a Stage 3 saddlebag 6x9 speaker. These three-way speakers provide a substantial output and upgrade, handling 250 watts of power. We meticulously measured rider positioning, engineering all of the speakers to be directly pointed at you. This ensures that the music is heard over wind, road, and exhaust noise. Additionally, they're designed to be element ready, performing flawlessly regardless of the weather conditions. Water, dust, and dirt will not be an issue. Furthermore, our purpose-built 4-channel amplifier delivers impressive output despite its small footprint, providing 125 watts per channel, totaling 500 watts. This supercharged integrated digital DSP amplifier offers all of the audio amplification that you need. With superior thermal management, it's designed to run all day without running out of power, all without impacting the bike's electrical system. Let's move on to the kits. We offer 4 kits, including a Stage 2 for Road Glide and Street Glide, as well as a Stage 2 Plus for Road Glide and Street Glide models. The Stage 2 kit comprises a pair of Stage 2 6.5-inch fairing speakers, Stage 2 5x7 saddlebag speakers, the 4-channel amplifier, and an installation kit. Upgrading to the Stage 2 Plus kit includes everything in the Stage 2 with the added enhancement of Stage 3 6x9 saddlebag speakers for even higher performance. So whether you prefer to upgrade your audio gradually over time or go all in and upgrade everything at once with an audio kit, these systems are designed to ensure that you can hear your audio over motorcycle, road noise, and exhaust. So whichever option you choose, you won't be disappointed.